Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa, and if you're new to this channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button because today I'm going to teach you something so unique, and we're actually going to add some spice to your knotless braids, so it doesn't have to be the plain normal usual braids. All right, so today what we are doing, we're going to learn how to do half braids and half curls. All right, so instead of just braiding till the end, we're just going to do half of it, and then we're going to put some curls on them. This style is very unique and it's very elegant, so you can do it with any color. So the number that I'm using here is braid number 27. So you can go ahead and do whichever color you feel like. That's the best thing about it. It doesn't choose colors. All right, so here I'm starting on with the knotless first. So yeah, the reason why I love knotless braids, because they are painless and easy to install, and then again they do last longer compared to normal braids. So if possible, if you can do knotless, that's the best thing I can advise for you to go for. And then yeah, if you don't know anything about knotless, if you don't know how to do the knotless, I'm going to put a link in the description box. I already have that video up, so here I'm just gonna go through very quickly. So yeah, if you want to learn more about knotless braids, I have a video, so I'll just put it in the description box, and then you can just click on the link and you watch the video. Yeah, so here we're just gonna go through very quickly, because the lesson today, the main thing that I want to teach today is all about putting the curls. And yes, there's some things we need to adhere to for the curls to come out neatly, so you better pay attention to all that. So we just go into that very shortly. And the braid that I used here was an extra long braid, because she wanted them to be long, so I didn't want the hassle of adding so many times. So that is why I opted for an extra long braid. You can even go for a longer one if you like, yeah, to avoid the hassle and bustle of adding and adding. All right, so here I'm almost to the end, to the point where now I'm going to do the curls afterwards. You can see the previous braids, what I've done, I've already left up to where I'm supposed to put the curls. So what I'm going to do next here, after doing my braid, I'm going to lock it up. Yeah, so like tie it up once or twice, so that when you're putting the curls, they won't come out. All right, they won't come out the exact day or the next day, so we're just going to secure it first. So after securing, now we are going to twist. And when we are twisting, guys, I want you to pay attention to that, because if you do your twists loosely, the curls won't come out very nicely and strong. You get it? So we're going to do our twist very tightly. Make sure it's as hard as a stone. So look at what we're doing here. Twist it as much as possible and make sure it's very, very tight. And that is how you'll get to achieve the curls that will last longer. So don't do loose twists. That's one very important thing. That's actually the main thing when it comes to doing the curls, okay? Do them very tightly, so that when you're touching them, it's like you're touching a stone, okay? I know it can be a lot of work at times, but when you get used to that, it's gonna be easy. So as we're doing here, and then when we are done with our twists, look how hard they look. We're going to dip them in hot water, and then we're going to unravel them. I'll just show you in a bit what's going to be done. Okay, so yeah, we're just doing final stages. And then now, yeah, time for the hot water. You just dip them in very, very hot water, like 100% boiling point. All right, so yes, after dipping, you're going to dry them and then unravel them, okay? And then we'll get our final results, guys. So that's all about it. It's very easy, very simple. You just have to be aware of some of the important things that I've just mentioned here about locking the braid up and then doing your twist very tightly. So you see when we are undoing it, it's still intact. So yeah, look at the final look, guys. And that's all about it. It's not rocket science. It's very easy. Anyone can do it, any beginner and anyone. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up. If you learned something, just give us a like, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more video tutorials that I'm gonna be posting in the future. Okay, so thank you so much and have a good day.